kids, happy holidays. There's only one real way to water a tree, and that's with an empty beer bottle. So as we fill it up, we think about giving that tree the rest of its life here in our house and giving it a little sustenance so it stays fresh and gives us the best of its last moments. It's the least we could do for it. So I'm going to go water this tree with my empty beer bottle, which is the only way to do it, especially if you came from the McEwen house. And here we go. Looking good, buddy. Still taking water. Guinness for strength.